Hello, my name is Daniel Sosa. This is a video explanation about my third project of the course Peripheral Programming, which consists in the process of the preparation of a beverage. As you can see, this is my front panel. It has three tanks containers and one extra tank to mix the two tanks, the tank 2 and the tank 2.1. It has the motors, the fan that is going to get called the motor, pipes, valves, as you can see here, and a system that fills a bottle. Here we can see the state of a bottle when this round LED represents that the valve is active, that it is letting pass the liquid inside the tank to the bottle. The bottle is not going to fill here, but it can be in here. So when the state of bottle gets to 100%, then the the process is going to start. The band is going to take the bottle to the box, and as you can see here, the box is open. But when it finishes, then it will be closed. Finally, it will be seen here that the process has finished, and also in the protoboard there is an indicator LED that will work to notify that the process has finished. The knob is to control the velocity in which the filling. So here I'm going to show my block diagram. This is pretty simple. I used I used links as the serial communication blocks. The first block here is a digital read block. This digital read block is going to read an input from the microcontroller, and this input will be a deep switch. This deep switch, depending on the state of the switch, is going to work. If it is true, then this whole process is going to start. Let's see how it works. The tank 1 is going to unfill. I mean, it's going to get empty. It's going to unfill the liquid, and the pipe. Here it is to in order to make the pipe simulate that the liquid is passing through it. Here we can see that if the process starts, then the fan is going to work to get called the motor that is behind it. Then when the pipe gets to a little liquid, then this other process is going to start. This case structures means some processes, like stages of the process. For example, this case structure works for the process of the tank and the unfilling of the tank 1. Then the second case structure, which is this one, is going to work so we can see that the pipe starts filling and the tank 2 starts also filling. Then the other case structures work for the tank 2.1, other for the motor here, the mixer here, and the tank 3, other for the activation of the valve, of the other for the state of the bottle, other for the conveyor, and the last one for the finish of the process. Also, there is one digital write block here that is going to have in the digital 13 of the Arduino the output, and this, as you can see, it's connected to the LED process finished, which is this one. When the process finished, when the box closes, as you can see here, it's taken from here and it goes to process finished. And then this LED is going to turn on and it will indicate that the process has finished. Okay, so now I'm going to run the program so you can see how it works. it is very important to see that the serial port is in the communication of the USB or in Bluetooth, whatever you prefer. And it is important to set the velocity here so the process don't go too fast or too slow. Now we're going to see that the switch is off and the LED is off. Now we're going to run the code. Let's run the code here. And as you can see, nothing is happening, but it doesn't start until I switch on uh, this deep switch. So let's do it. If I do it, then you're going to see in the screen that the tank that the process is starting. The tank 1 is on filling, the liquid passed through the pipe to the pipe, and now the pipe 2 is passing the liquid. The tank 2 is filling, as you can see. Then when the tank 2 gets full, we're going to see what happens. When the tank 2 is full, then the tank 2.1 starts on filling. Let's do it a little bit quickly. And when the tank 3 starts, when it's in here, then the valve activates and it starts to fill the bottle. Then in the conveyor, the bottle pass. The bottle just pass through the conveyor, and when it gets to the end, the box closes, and as you can see here, the LED turned on, and also here it turned on. Process finished. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and see you in the next one.